beautiful people, I'm Nancy Obebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering egusi pepper soup. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so for egusi pepper soup, there are so many ways to cook it. So let's use this method. So I add in water, seasoning, salt, onion, and my stockfish. Next, I added in my pepper soup spice. So I'm going to mix everything together. I added in more seasoning. So I'm going to stir everything to combine beautifully. So I'm going to cover this and bring to a boil. And after a few minutes, I came back to check on it. So I have my melon blended already. So I blended it with water. Next, I'll transfer it into my soup base. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. If you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make an amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and loved ones, and keep watching. Please cook the egusi properly till done to avoid stomach upset. And also check and stir your soup at intervals to avoid it from burning. Next, I'll add in my fresh pepper. It's roughly blended. I'll also add black pepper to it. So you can add in water or meat stock if it is too thick. Meanwhile, this is egusi pepper soup. It is pepper soup, okay? If you want it runny than this, you can add in more water. I actually added in more meat stock, which is my chicken stock. If you don't have any stock at hand, feel free to add in water. So I went in with my protein. You can choose any protein of choice for this soup. So test your soup for seasoning, salt, pepper, so you can adjust it, okay? See, egusi pepper soup is so healthy and there's no oil added, so everybody can actually enjoy this soup. So this is another way to make melon soup, and you can actually enjoy this soup with anything, okay? Please try the soup and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.